This raspberry lemon loaf cake has been one of the #1 recipes on my website for the past 8 years or something. It's so good. It's a classic, and I know you're going to love it too. So let me show you how to make it. We started by creaming together some butter and granulated sugar until it was really nice, light, and fluffy. Then we added the eggs one at a time, and then here we're adding some fresh lemon zest and lemon juice to get a really strong lemon flavor. And then now we're just mixing together the dry ingredients. We've got all-purpose flour, salt, and we're going to add some baking powder and then whisk it until it's nice and combined. Then we're going to gently fold in the dry ingredients. You don't want to overmix it here because that will overdevelop the gluten. And then now we're going to add some sour cream, which is going to help create a really nice, moist, and delicious tender cake. So just mix that until it's just combined. Then you're going to gently fold in some raspberries. You don't want to mix too much because, as you can see, the raspberries are going to bleed a little bit. So just gently mix until they're just combined. And then you're going to pour it into a 9x5 loaf pan, spread it into an even layer, and then bake the cake. Once it's baked and it's cooling, you can make the little glaze. We're just taking some powdered sugar, lemon zest, and lemon juice, mixing it until it's combined, and then we're going to drizzle it over the cooled cake. Make sure the cake is cooled, and then you're going to slice into it and enjoy. Look at all those raspberries. Raspberries and lemon are just such a classic, delicious combo. I hope you enjoy the recipe. You can find the full recipe on confessionsofabaking.com.